Alright, so I told you I was going to show you how to install one of these Envi heaters, and I've got my line marked. Now when they come new from the factory, they have a stencil you use, but essentially the line's about 19 inches from the ground. So I'm going to be putting it, so I'm going to just go ahead and screw this bracket up. Alright, so I got my first little plastic bracket up, and that's all it is. Now the other bracket needs to be about 17.5 inches away. Well, it needs to be exactly 17.5 inches away from this one. As I said, I don't have the template because I'm relocating one. Right, so I have my other pencil mark. I have it at 17.5 inches exactly away from the center of that screw over there in the other bracket. And I have it 19 inches up. I'm just going to simply put in my other bracket now. Right, so I have both little brackets up now, and the e-heater is just going to slide right on top of those. But before I put it up, on the very bottom of this heater, sorry y'all, on the very bottom of this heater, there is a screw, and it's kind of the last step is to tighten that screw once it's up on the bracket. So I'm going to put it up, and then we're going to tighten that screw. Right, so we have it hung up on its brackets. Slides right in place. I got that little screw tightened in. And now I'm just going to get some wire holders and tack those into place. And we should be done. Alright, so we have this heater up. So all you really have to do is, when you get them brand new, they have a template. You screw the brackets into the template. You set it on the brackets, and you put that screw in the bottom, and you plug it in. That's it. So we have it all up. So our heaters are all now where they need to be.